Yo, after a small break, let me just put the sound up. Yeah, after a small break, I wanted to make a video to show the progress of Beg4Pay. Um, we had the rest of the team hired a designer to make this in Figma. Personally, I do not like Figma. I mean, I just don't see the point because the goal was to make it easier for me. I'm not a designer. I hate design. I had a pre-made theme and it was not very conclusive. So the goal was to create a better design that was simpler and more getting the essence of the project. But I don't understand why Figma helped the developer. Like one person in the team told me it's to help the developer to implement it, but like okay, I got the CSS color and stuff, and it's a luck that ChatGPT is there. Like that's a good use case of me inputting all that stuff, saying I want something that look like that. So I successfully made something. It looks like that. Makes sense. I implemented the Wallet Connect V2 that I had from a past project. I'll show you the code after. And I used ChatGPT 4.0. I wanted to see, and the code is very well structured. I do enjoy it. Basically, the Web3 part is from another project. We import all the stuff from there. I do not use JS framework, so that was necessary. We get all the stuff related to our project that's gonna be on Berachain. Some helper. We initialize the chains from this configuration. We also have the ERC20 ABI and another ABI related to rewards. We have helper to read and write to contracts. I also implemented two Web3. Let me just find it. There's a public provider, so this way I could, let's say, fetch the total supply of token without asking the user to connect with MetaMask or other Web3 wallets. So that was a good idea. You can see here that the Ether and the public provider is loaded. Sorry. Yeah, and here read from contract, which is personal related to the user. There is other helper here. It's not very important for now. I'm not there yet. But my goal, I worked yesterday on that. So basically, give me just one moment. Yeah. Basically, I want to link user Twitter, but we don't want to use the API or OAuth because it's paid first, and OAuth have some issue. The last time that I used, I heard there was a fix, but to what I saw, it's not fixed. OAuth is not working well on mobile wallet and other browser. If you have the Twitter app, it's it go to the Twitter app and then break. It's lots of people are mentioning this issue on internet, and I already faced it in the past project. So what I did was using a Python library to use cookie and the GraphQL. I think it's called like that. It's like the API itself that when you browse Twitter, you interact with. So it's shady a bit. But it's reliable. Twitter itself, I hate working with it because it's nice, but they always try to break your stuff, and it's not consistent in the values that are returned. Sometimes there's lots of issue like that, but anyway. So I made a backend using Python and Flask. I'm able to request a nonce, something that's randomly generated. We can show the instruction. Can show the instruction. This like alert and confirm are very bad function. It's just for now. I want to make the MVP, and when it's working, I'll implement a proper HTML model. And the goal is we ask the user to post a tweet with the nouns on it. Then we verify the signature with the wallet, with the user wallet. Then we send the signature to the verify endpoint, and we also gonna verify on our server side the Twitter authentication, like proving that the user is actually owning the account. So this way, we're sure that the user owned the wallet and the account, because we have the signature on wallet side, and we have something unique on the social network side. Um, Basically, the API in Python, ChatGPT 4.0 made very nice classes. I'll show you, but it's using Flask, Mongo database too. There's a class called Twitter Verify. We request a nonce. The nonce is like just a secret, randomly generated, doesn't matter. Um, we accept wallet address, platform handle, and then we set that on the database. We update the nonce too. We return the nonce to the. Let me just check something. I think something is wrong here. Yeah, basically this one is not verified. I'm at that state, but you see the nouns, the wallet address, but also the platform and the handle that we would like. There is something that's wrong actually. I think yeah. So request proof here. No, no, I'm sorry, it's not. It's okay. It's okay. Request proof could be just some instruction. Right now we just print. It's not very important for now. I'll work on that. But basically, what ChatGPT made is a base verifier. I want to use this import too. I got a random cookie function too that was very well created. Look the structure here. A Twitter cookie just to get from a file. Just a cookie. Yeah. Wallet verify that basically use recover message and to prove that the address and the one that is recovered from the signature is the same. To the cookie verifier. Yeah, the base there always need to be request proof and check proof. I think for all well commented everything too. I like it. No, it's nice. I do enjoy it. And the API, I was there, right? Yeah. So the once we check the social proof for that particular social network, we return the user ID and if the proof is valid, not the signature, the proof. You can see the signature here, but the proof itself, the social proof. The thing I'm facing right now is I'm able to get random cookie. I'm able to initialize the scrapper. I'm able to get the user, um, the user data by handle. But here is what's happening. I'm not able to scrape, let's say, the latest tweet of that person to see if it was proven that he want to link his account. And I remember using that code. It's from getting how to get this. Yeah, this is called Twitter API clients. We want to use the scrapper with cookie, and we can scrape user by name, by IDs, tweet. That's the thing I'm not sure. Like, I'll just with you guys, I'll try to implement just the scrapper logic to be sure that I'm getting the last data because something is wrong there. Um, my last implementation of my last use of this code was for the Duco project that we made. Was basically Twitter raid on Telegram. So admin can create raids on a post, and the community of the crypto can go. And initially, that was working with OAuth. User was linking his Twitter account, and we were liking, retweeting, and commenting on it on the user behalf. But and it was working, and the limits were pretty fair actually for the $200. Not the most expensive API access, but like the first paid one, the middle, it was actually fair. Like it was like 5 requests per 15 minutes, and 5 requests per user. So it was kind of fair for the use case. But the thing was, the OAuth was crashing on mobile, and it was on Telegram. So most of the people were on Telegram, clicking the link to to use the OAuth signing, and it was redirecting to Twitter app, and it was just not working. So maybe later we can move to a better Twitter here, the Twitter file. We get the Twitter verifier. And also, we're going to need to fetch social engagement for a particular user or post. So we're still going to use, as I said, the initial implementation was similar. Parsing cookie, loading cookie, get random cookie. There was a cache using Redis for 60 seconds, something like that. And basically, I was able to query the user tweet details, the retweet, not like, because like is not available from the API anymore. Actually, even in the paid API, I don't think you can see the amount of like or who like what. But I know in the OAuth service, you can like a post. So it was actually perfect. Paying the $200 per month and liking, retweeting, and commenting on behalf of the user was the perfect solution in my opinion. But it was paid, which is not a problem. But it was not reliable on mobile, which is a problem. So here you can see the check user comment. There was tweet. There was cached tweet too. Um, and basically, for verifying a task, we get the tweet ID, the screen name, we get the random cookie, we cache the data for 60 seconds, and we check if the user has commented and retweeted. We were getting all the replies and all the retweet for that particular post, and each 60 seconds, like the Telegram bot query this, like I think it was a button. But the point is, for 60 seconds, it was using the cache data. And if the cache was older than 60 seconds, it was refreshing the cache once. So even if there is many users that were relying on that part, even if there is a big raid and everyone is trying to verify the task, it was just using the 60 last second data, which was making the scrapper not running too much with random cookie, not too much limits, you know. So each 60 seconds, we can expect that it's gonna make one request for one post, which was very very fine, very very fine. Um, Yeah, so cache tweet details, let me just get it. Cache tweet detail. If the data was old, basically, yeah. If the data was removed after the cache time, it was just getting the new tweet details, the scrapper tweet details, and the same thing for a retweeter that are from yeah. Did I said tweet stats, tweet details, and retweeter. That was the best thing that I come up, and it was working pretty well actually. So right now, I'm able to get the data for a particular user. Uh, is personal data, is profile, but something is not working from there. I'm able to get the user ID, but then I want to get the tweet of that user ID. And I get data, but then here for each tweet in tweet data, if I print tweet, it's just inputting a bunch of tweet and not like 20, not one. And something that's very weird too is um, I make one print statement and a time sleep, and I just get one print. So I think that the way the data is structured is not proper. So I just want to debug this. I'll just get my Twitter ID to name here because I want to simplify a test. I think it's that. No, there is a C. Huh? Oh, pardon? Wow. So lame. It's okay. Worst case, I'll just get it from the code. Because I know these are my posts. At some point, I recognize some stuff that was from that, but there's too much shit. There's too much stuff. I think that's actually my ID. Yeah. Yeah. So let's make a test because that's pissing me off. Let's get the random cookie too from here. So, let's just get everything from there and remove. That's lame. Pardon. Hello. Jeez. What's the point? Bro, Oops, no, 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 no. What is it? Indent line, re-indent, select line. How the fuck do I end? Uh! Bro. Hey, okay. What did I do? What did I do? I just broke the OBS code. Sorry, I just woke up, guys. Feeling retarded a bit. Uh, mm, actually, you know what? That's better. I'm so retarded, sorry. So, if it's main, check proof, the handle, I can do this. Just set that, the nuns, I don't care. I'm just gonna put 123 and the wallet address. I don't know why wallet address is used actually. What is it? No, wallet address is not even supplied. No need of wallet address. Which mean I think base is right. Just do this. So for time, and we're going to remove this. Get random cookie test, blah blah blah. User data, user info. Okay, I want to print to the user info. User info, user ID. I'll just comment this for now. Check proof. We're gonna print this too. Test.p. The name verifier. Well, sorry. The therapy. Oh, yeah, probably need to be. So, tutorial to prove can only come blah blah blah. So there is a data here uh, that is created. I get the user this. This is my ID. I'm able to get my ID. I don't know why it's not. Wait, I'll show you. This is my profile. This is clearly my profile. Um, mm, I wanted to check proof. I cannot find this done though. I would like to have better understanding of the actual debug. So if we don't mind, we can do this. Come on. Whoa. It's crazy to me why it's not indenting. I swear. Okay. Okay. Ah! Re-indent selected lines, bro. I feel so retarded, I swear. Can't even re-indent some basic stuff. Hell. I gotta go back. So user info is not user info. So the user ID is fetched properly. Oh, that's working. User ID, and it's returning. This is returning none because right. User ID and check is returning 2. Print check and user ID. So last time. So we're putting the what? Oh, yeah, he's sleeping 5 seconds, and then there is nothing that's returned after that. That's why it's bugging. But so we're able to get the user ID. I know that for a fact. This is working. This part is working. If I get tweet data, print tweet, Actually, not now. I'll print tweet data here. And it's going to be created in the data directory too, but I want to see what's outputted because there is so many information that is outputted. There is too much data. I just want one. So I'm wondering what's the real issue right now, you know. So this is my account. This is the account data that I'm getting. And then this request is basically all, there's a bunch of tweets. This is crazy, you know. It's basically all my stupid tweets. Okay, so the one that I want is my latest tweet. I don't know if it's this one, the pin one, or this one. So it's related to Toyota claim, right? Let me just get this. So Toyota claim. And then after is re-own. So let me just tweet display. Blah, 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 blah. Why re-own? Okay. Description. Just trying to sort the. That's the thing. Timeline. Sort index. Entry ID. So from there to entry ID. And tweet. Okay, so that's my pinned one. Pin. And here is another one, I think. Let's try this. So this is data extracted in a file. There is a bunch of tweet after this, but basically this is my pinned one, then two next posts after. If I do this, the print output all my tweets, which I don't understand why. And if I do for each tweet in tweet data, it output one array or dictionary. I think it's related to the structure I just do. Can you fix? Because my goal is to get only, like, let's say the first or let's say five five tweets, but here there is a limit option the count and the limit, but it's not working at all. Like, I don't know why. And someone uh, in the issues of the library said like I'm trying to get just like 20 and it's never consistent. And that's a note on Y limit. Oh, no, 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 no. Count limit, maximum total fetch, number of tweet per page, may get pinned tweet, limit one. Someone mentioned to oh, see, let's try this for fun. Delete. Wait, data. Yeah. Yeah. Method. Scrapper tweets. Limit 5. Get full text. Okay, let's try this. Not user ID. If not with data. If not user ID. Bro, it's killing me. With data, scrapper tweets user ID. User ID. Pin. Wait. Oh. Okay, that's good. So I'll try this. False. I don't think it's gonna change something, honestly. For tweet object in tweet data. Times t. Just 1 second. See, it's still doing the same thing. It is still doing the same thing, I swear. Data user result. Is it getting the pin, by the way? I'm sure it's gonna get. Yeah, it's still. This doesn't change anything. The reply, retweet, and stuff like that doesn't change anything. So confusing, bro. Tweets by ID. Get tweet metadata by tweet ID. This is not what I want. Tweet metadata by tweet ID. This is not what I want. So really, tweet is what? If I do tweets and reply, user list. Okay, let's just see if it's more reliable, because there is too much data. Still a bunch of data. What is this shit? Basically, there is no limits. There is no limits. Okay. Oh, we just get it again there. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Extract tweet text. So that, oui, merci. Extract tweet text from an entry. Okay. Extract tweet. This doesn't change anything. Let's try this. Doesn't matter if we put this. I'll tweet, extend the first one. What is the first chunk? Technically, that's in my tree first tweet. I find to return tweet. Okay. For each first line, first tweet, first tweet, first line, list of tweet, skipping normal tweet, tweet text, all tweet text. Okay. All tweet text, extend. Let's print it there. Print all tweet text. Let's do it again. Okay. Ah, that's so cool. So, indeed, there is something going on. I get it. I get the. Okay. No cookie. The max tweet. Return only the first one you want to limit. This is not how it should. Text. For text. For text. Max tweet. How many tweet to collect? I don't think that's appropriate. Oops. Return all text. Yeah. Yeah, it's still that's so weird. Then is code swap wallet symbol for it count. This is so weird. Okay, no, wait, sorry. This sounds like someone trying to do we own privacy. Or if I go back to my why we own sound like someone trying to steal private key of your wallet, but the domain, the okay. Tweet. That's probably the Toyota claim. Okay. Yeah, so the link is formatted here. It's shown as Toyota claim.com, but it's actually a Twitter link. Not the end of the world. Why Reown doesn't have. So actually, wait, there's no identity, free social, mean speech. There is something related to Azuki. Mean the core capacitor. Azuki. Sorry, Azuki. See, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. That's roughly about 20, which is what I read. I read that request. It's basically like what my eyes see in one click, going to my profile. It's okay. That's good. That's perfect. That's what I want. That's cool. It's working. Um, That actually, yeah. Let me just put that back. Max tweet is 5. Let me just put 3 here, and we're gonna run this again. It's a bit longer though. The pinned is yeah. Okay, so 1. That's the Toyota. Reown is the 2, and the third is there. Okay. Or unlawful. Privacy win. Different thing is unlawful. Title smart contract cash. And if I go back here to Adulcas or unlawful, okay, that's still the sentence is still cutted. Well, it's okay. That's good. So we got something going on. That's for sure. Actually, we don't need to use the max tweet, but okay. Um. Okay. How would I do this? Okay. So this return. It's working as I want. I'm able to extract and print the latest 3 tweets. Now edit this. So in my original code, The issue is from here to here. Triple tweet, check proof. Right. Oh, that's so retarded. That's not what I. Okay. Fuck ChatGPT. Scrapper tweets, timeline list, basically. Scrapper tweets, no need of this, tweets data. If no tweets data, blah blah blah. If no. Oh, return user ID, return none, false, yep. Then all tweet text, so for tweets in all tweet text. Okay, let me just found nones. Let me edit this. All tweet text, and then we're gonna edit this timeline this, parse the tweet, all tweet text, we get this function from the test, blah 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 blah, Twitter, we're gonna put the helper here. I hate the indent, I swear. First tweet, maximum tweet, skip in, blah blah blah. Extract tweet text. Extract text. So right after init. Of course, self. Because we are in a class. So extract tweet text self. We skip pinned, sorry. Parse tweet from timeline. Self. On the first chunk. I guess we're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna print it there too. And tweet here. Let me just go back in time. Save false. So we don't save the data directory. I don't want that stuff. Yes. Tweet. No need to save the data. And then we print here for debug right now, but found nones. If the nones in for text, all tweet text. Okay. Found nones. Tweet for user ID. Okay. Not find nones. User ID. That makes sense. If there is no tweet data, we can still return the user ID. I mean, it should be another well. No need of a time sleep here. No need of this actually. Okay. So let's bring back the API. The goal is when I go on that website, we just unlock my wallet. Okay, so my Twitter handle is BTC4Cash. You can see my wallet is connected. I got this announced. Of course, this is the alert. This is actually confirmed. I want to remove this. This is gonna be integrated on the website, not using this, of course. What I'm gonna do, the goal is I post, let's say beg and announce. I post. I confirm. I sign the transaction in my wallet. Okay, there is an error that happened. Oh, course. Why course? Oh, this is so retarded. Okay. Check proof, Twitter verifier, check proof, check proof, check proof, check proof. Yes. An API. Check proof. Check proof. We don't need to pass the wallet address. That's why I removed that. And the course too. That's weird though. Cross origin shall be here. I don't know why it's not set though. I'm pretty sure that was yes, no, verify. Just do this way. G function mapping is offering an existing event decorator. G function mapping app. Confused because I. I can just remove that. Just a bit. G75. Then I add the course. Yeah, it okay. Let me just try this. Sorry. Let's do it again. Gonna try this again. Gonna remove this. Into there, so the announce is there. Okay. There is an error. Ooh. Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Something happened. Uh, that's why. uh, why the bug? Why the bug? The bug is, shall not be there. Okay, the bug was still there. Okay. So, there is clearly something going on here. um, So basically, I have 150 requests per user by screen name in 15 minutes, which is fine. Um, but then unique result. Okay. Let's just wait a minute. By the way, the nouns was found, which is awesome. But wait, sparse. Sound like proof check failed. Proof valid. Check proof. Proof check failed. Right, failed to fetch. Just okay. Okay. So there is an error on the front end. Somewhere here there is a problem here. Probably here. But but here API verify signature. But yeah. So verify check proof. Let's find it. Okay, so here is the output using debug. You can see it query a lot of data for user tweets. Removed the count and limit as I thought it wasn't. Uh, I see the nouns, but front end output failed to fetch. Here is the front end code. Sorry. And here is the current API. And here is the Twitter verifier. Let's see what you say. Whoa. Should we start finding the nouns, flash root, tardiness. Okay, that's very retarded. That's not really what I was expecting. 220. 220 is the error here. Okay, that could be related to here, failed to fetch. Failed to fetch. Okay, I'll remove the catch here. Also, if I go, where is it? Will I be able to see this? Yeah. Verify. Header. Streak origin one cross origin. Payload, platform, Twitter, wallet address. Response. The response was nothing. But request nouns. That was pre-flight payload review response. That's weird. Clearly there is an error there. Whoa. So see, make sure it's calling API verify. First thing is the front end, another API. Pattern code return. Yeah, but I did. This is not HTTPS, it's perfect. It's actually being sent and flask internal from the log, the send and the server responded. Think okay. So there is no print. But check proof. Wait. Here print. Let's just remove all the prints here, just in case. I doubt this is the issue, but and if you only want the first chunk, I do want only the first chunk. Max tweet text. And I'll put the limit 3 count 3. I'll try. I don't think it's gonna change something, but I'll try. And in the Web3.js, instead having a catch and a try, we're gonna go bare skin so we can see the proper debug. Let's just remove this, delete, bye bye. For cache, get the nouns, remove, post beg post. Yeah, please stop. Okay, so there's just one request that's made, which is perfect. Let's go! Yes! 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 We got this. We got this. Amen. So, of course, we need to change the alert. We need to change confirm. This is shit. This is not looking good. And we also need to return proper error message like this alert and stuff like that. We don't want this. We want proper. Yeah, I mean, there is some, but we're gonna work on this. So I'll just stop the video for now, and here we go. Here we go.